If you've been building rockets for a while, you might have found that attaching the fins can be tricky. It's a balancing act. Your rocket just doesn't want to stand straight up. It rolls around on the table, your body tube. It's frustrating. And then, even when you have your fin on, your first fin on, then gluing the second one's even harder because you have to try and balance it, hold it up and put a fin on top right here while you have one jutting down from the bottom. Like, how are you supposed to do that? Well, if you've been having this issue, I have a solution for you, and I'm gonna be showing it to you in this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to build a very easy, simple rocket building stand. I just dropped that body tube. That's embarrassing. It's a little bit long for this, but it should solve all your problems. It just holds your model rocket body tube nice and still, nice and stable. Like it just barely fits inside this thing, and it holds it nice and still. That way you don't have to worry about your rocket rolling around or doing anything while your fins glue on. So if you want to see how this is built, let's follow along. Now first, I'm going to show you guys what materials you need. Now, all you need to make the rocket stand are 8 zip ties, 2 PVC crosses, 2 elbows, a length of pool noodle, and of course a PVC pipe. For me, I have 1 inch by 5 foot. It's pretty long, can't get it all in the shot here. And as far as tools go, it's also pretty simple. You need something to cut with. I have scissors for the pool noodle and a PVC cutter, but I'm sure you could use like a saw or something, as well as a ruler and a Sharpie. So now let's get on with the assembly. So all these measurements I'll give are based on having 5 feet of PVC, but you'll take your long full length of PVC. You're going to cut out 2 8-inch lengths. Those are going to be like the main bars that kind of go across. And you're going to attach each elbow fitting, 90-degree elbow fitting, onto the ends of both of those. Then you're going to cut out 4 5-inch pieces and attach those onto the elbows, and then attach the other ends of those onto the cross fittings. And you'll be able to attach both assemblies, both long pieces together onto the cross. Then you're going to cut out 4 4-inch lengths of PVC. Those are going to attach onto the remaining spots on the cross fittings. Those will just kind of come out. That's what holds the rocket. Then you're going to take the pool noodle, cut out 4 4-inch lengths of those, cut them down the middle, and wrap them around the exposed PVC, the 4-inch lengths. And then you take the zip ties, 2 zip ties to each, tighten them as much as you can, keep them on so they're nice and steady, and you repeat that for each of the 4-inch lengths of PVCs that are coming out, just like that. And so there you go. That's really all there is to it. You can glue the fittings and the PVC together if you want to keep it extra stable, make sure it never comes apart, but I didn't, because that way I can keep it a little bit modular. I can use longer lengths of PVC, shorter length, depending on the project I'm working on. But yeah, there you guys go. That's all there is to it. Repeat, as I said, repeat the pool noodle thing 4 times, and there you go. And so there you go, guys. That's how you make a very simple building stand for your rockets out of PVC and just a pool noodle, and it works very well. Here it is. I mean, like, I have this Aerotech initiator here, and it works just perfectly right here, just like this. 8 inches here, I mean, it adds to being a little bit over 8 inches, like almost 10 inches. It's a pretty decent length for like bigger rockets. I might have to shorten it for like smaller low power rockets, but like for a rocket like this initiator, it's perfect. The pool noodles hold it with friction, so I mean, it's not going to be rolling around, which means that if I want to be gluing on fins onto this one, I think this rocket had through-wall fins, but even then, I can just, it'll stand up really well, and it's a lot easier for gluing and setting up the rockets, especially once you have like 2 fins on, and it's like, or if you have like 1 fin on, it's like really awkward getting it to stand on the table. To put on an extra fin, and you can always just, good for adding decals, doing whatever you want with the rocket. So yeah, there you guys go. It's a very simple guide. Hopefully, I hope it was informative. Hope it worked for you. This took like 30 minutes and about $30 because PVC is kind of expensive, but it lasts me forever, so it's pretty nice. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have a lot more rocketry content on this channel, so if you're interested in that, please check it out. Guides, builds, reviews, launches, all that. So it's really awesome, in my opinion, at least. And yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, comment, share, all that sort of thing. And I hope I can see you guys again next time. Thank you.